the movie. Dun dun dun. This is gonna be a cool movie. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna put this on YouTube, but I don't want to show my face because then people will hunt me down. And I don't want that to happen. Don't you? Okay, good. Now starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Action! Beep. Here is Joker. Zoom in closer so now we can see his knife. But there's dynamite behind him. Wait, dynamite? That's weird. Now let's go to him. Let's go to the clone. Oh, he has the thing to explode the dynamite. I am messed up. Really messed up. Starting, exploding 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Joker died. Yippee, now we cannot see the Dark Knight because it's so not fun to see the Dark Knight. Right? Okay, good. So, he exploded dynamite. Now let's go to the next scene. It's my power miners. It has dynamite too. Ah, that's weird. And it has a power miner head. Ah! Look at that. Let's see if it explodes. Let's see if the clone explodes this one. Starting in 5. Exploding in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, I guess he exploded. That's good. Now, he should just fall down. No reason. He's just gonna go away. But we're still going. Okay, now he fall down. Now, let's see how much money we have. 100. Look, 100. That's $100. And we have another $100. And then we have a carrot. But that's not all. We have some things to show you. We have a deck of cards. Let's see. Deck of cards. A deck of cards. There it is. And there's the Joker, but he's still dead. But that's okay. There's the dynamite. Let's go zoom in. Here's the dynamite. There's the dynamite. And there's the carrot. A Lego carrot. Not Mega Block. 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 It's a carrot. Lego carrot. All the things here is Lego, except for this motor. Can't you see? It's driving, and then it does wheelie, and then it falls off. Then there you go. So, that's probably it. Oh man.